Using Revolut to buy Bitcoin is a convenient and secure way to invest in cryptocurrency. Revolut is a financial technology company that offers a range of services, including a mobile app that allows users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires basic personal and identification information. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the cryptocurrency section and select Bitcoin as the currency you want to buy. Revolut offers several benefits when it comes to buying Bitcoin, including low fees, real-time exchange rates, and a user-friendly interface. The app also provides a secure way to store your Bitcoin, with advanced security measures in place to protect your funds. One of the key advantages of using Revolut to buy Bitcoin is the low fees. Revolut charges a small commission on each transaction, which is significantly lower than what traditional banks and financial institutions charge. This makes it an attractive option for those who want to invest in Bitcoin without incurring high costs. Another benefit of using Revolut is the real-time exchange rates. The app provides up-to-the-minute exchange rates, allowing you to buy Bitcoin at the current market price. This ensures that you get the best possible deal and avoids any potential losses due to delayed or outdated exchange rates. In addition to the benefits, it is essential to understand the risks associated with buying Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It is crucial to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. To buy Bitcoin on Revolut, simply navigate to the cryptocurrency section, select the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. The process is quick and easy, and your Bitcoin will be added to your Revolut wallet instantly. In conclusion, using Revolut to buy Bitcoin is a convenient, secure, and cost-effective way to invest in cryptocurrency. With low fees, real-time exchange rates, and a user-friendly interface, Revolut provides an excellent platform for both beginners and experienced investors. By following the steps outlined in this guide and being aware of the risks, you can start investing in Bitcoin with confidence.